Hey everyone, welcome David in History for the Ages here. So it's been a while since I recorded a new update, new welcome. Last time I did this was more a year ago, I think, and I had less than 10,000 subscribers, and we're over 24,000 now. And I'm doing a lot of new stuff here. So I want to kind of give everybody an introduction. My name's David. When I was 18 years old, I took a history class at a community college, told my professor, I really like this stuff. I want to teach history at a community college. And that's what I've been doing since I was 24 years old. I love it. I haven't worked a day in my life. And basically, the way this channel began is when we had to shut down the world. I put all my lectures up on YouTube for my students, and it didn't take long for me to discover people who were not my students were watching and enjoying them. And so then it kind of grew a big following from homeschoolers and just history buffs in general. And so I put them all out there. They're all free. Anybody can watch them. I've organized them in many playlists that you can find. So it's really easy to find topics, whether you're looking for ancient Egypt or Rome or Greece or modern stuff. And then I have other fun playlists like, 3-minute history videos and, fun quizzes, a playlist on movies and history, all sorts of other fun stuff you can find. In the last year or so, I've started to create unit studies as well, unit studies for homeschoolers who want to take my lectures and actually make sure their kids are learning from it. And I have a couple videos on my channel which explain all those. You can find me obviously here on YouTube, but Facebook, Instagram. I just started Instagram a little bit, but I have a big Facebook page with over 12,000 followers there right now. Just started the Instagram thing. We'll see how that goes. And really, just thank you to everybody who has been watching my stuff. Watch, like, share, leave comments, subscribe, encourage people to follow me either all these forums because I just love teaching and educating, and it's been great fun, and I just hope for bigger and better things, and the best is yet to come. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I will get back to you, and I'm just looking forward to sharing more of my history content with the world. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching, and please keep watching my lectures. Everyone have a great day. Thank you.